Hi guys, Tyler from Patrolapart here. Following the release of our new GQ steering wheels, we wanted to show you a bit more info about how we research and develop these products. That's led us to do a deep dive series into products that we develop ourselves. So in today's video, we're going to be deep diving into the GQ steering wheel. This product alone has 5 injection mold tyres, along with 14 different steel hard parts and hardware and a little bit of wiring. So to get the cost of these steering wheels down to a respectable retail price, we had to have quite a large minimum order quantity. So when we first visited these steering wheels 4 years ago, we realised how much room these would take up in our warehouse and how much we had to outlay to get this product to market. We weren't sure that the demand back then would support this project, so we put it on ice for a few years. But now, 4 years later, we've seen the GQ markets change substantially. Now we're seeing a lot more restorations happening, along with resto mods with engine conversions and such. Second-hand steering wheels in this style have become increasingly hard to get, and the price has increased dramatically. This has made us acutely aware that we needed to revisit this project and see if it was now viable. So over the last 18 months, we've done 4 revisions of this steering wheel to get what we considered to be the perfect option to retail. So what we're offering is a textured polyurethane steering wheel in a similar to OEM finish and hardness, but we've made it to look like a TI steering wheel leather wrapped. We've designed it so that it can be used with your factory horn pad and backing plate if you have a wheel that's beyond repair, or we offer it complete with our own horn pad and backing plate. We've opted for a sleek look with no logo on the horn pad, so it will suit Patrol and Maverick models, although it was very tempting to put our own Patrolapart logo on these. We're stoked with this product and we'd love to hear your feedback and whether this type of insightful video interests you. So, if you're after one of these, jump over to patrolapart.com.au and grab one for yourself.